We'll build a market mood index notifier application. It will scrape the market mood index from a website through Chromedp and send us a notification via email and a Telegram message. Let's first initialize our project and install Chromedp package. The pkg/scraper package will be responsible to get the mood index from the website. It will have the get market mood index function, which will get the data from the ticker market mood index website and store the data in the data variable. The HTML selector used was the XPath of the mood index data. The cmd/scraper package will be used to test the pkg/scraper package. It is simply call the get market mood index function and print the result. We'll also create a classifier mood index function in the pkg/scraper package that will take the market mood index and return the string that classifies the mood index as extreme fear, fear, greed, or extreme greed. Let's print the output of the classifier mood index in the cmd/scraper package. Before proceeding, let's install some external packages like Telegram, go.env, and GoEmail. Let's start with the send email package. It will have a send email function that will take these arguments. Here we'll use the send in blue SMTP server to send email. We'll store the email and the password in the .env file. Now let's create the cmd/email package which will run this pkg/email package. It will simply call the send email function. Let's try to run it. Here you can see I got the mail. Now let's connect with the Telegram to create a new bot. We'll provide the name and the username for our bot and we'll get the API access token. We'll start a chat with a new bot. To get the chat ID, we need to go into this sort of website and put in our token in this URL. And after sending a message, we will get a chat ID. We'll place both these values in these environment variables. Let's start with the send telegram package. It will have a send telegram message function with these arguments and it will use the Telegram version 5 package to send the message to a chat ID. Now let's start with cmd/telegram package. It will simply call the send telegram message function and send a dummy text message to the chat ID. Let's try to run it. Finally, let's create the mood index notifier, which will use all the 3 packages we just created and send us the mood index via email and Telegram. This will have a private notifier function that will get the mood index from the website and send it via email and Telegram. This can be used as a cron job or a Windows scheduler, or we can create an infinite loop with sleep to send this notification regularly. After running the program, we got this Telegram message and also the email. Thanks for watching.